Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Polygon Matic price prediction update, which at the time of this recording is holding above the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. At the time of this recording also, we have managed to break through our key area of resistance at around the $1.1764 mark, and as long as we continue holding above it, I'll be expecting to see a successful retest before we can continue gearing up and continue unlocking even higher prices. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, where we had been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2, in a move that has now managed to get into the minimum retracement area highlighted here on the charts using this red target area. And all this is playing out after we fully peaked in the formation of that first wave in a move that gave us a high at around the $1.1466 mark. And having seen that first wave and a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, now my primary scenario is that whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And before I get further into the technical analysis to give you the short-term scenarios and also give you my target areas to the upside in the formation of that wave 3, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to first give you my target areas to the upside in the formation of this wave 3 by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, and that now gives me a target area in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $1.2675 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting Polygon Matic to do here on the short-term scenarios. And as long as we continue holding above that key area of support at around the $1.17 mark, and maybe at some point, maybe on the lower time frames, get a retest of that key area of resistance, there are high chances that we are going to continue unlocking higher prices until we fully maximize our minimum target area at the fib level 1.618. And the moment we fully maximize that, there are also high chances that we might continue gearing up and maybe get to other areas on the Fibonacci's to put in place the high for that wave 3 before we can expect a pullback in that wave 4, then continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 5 to the upper side. And once we complete the formation of these 5-wave structure to the upside, that will be completing an even larger Elliot wave count 3 to the upper side, which is right here, and that is what is giving me the long-term scenarios that I'm expecting here on the Polygon Matic chart, basing it on this Elliot wave structure right here, where you can see that we topped in that first wave in a move that gave us a high at around the $1.57 mark. Then we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that has now bottomed out within this red target area. And having seen the formation of that first wave and a corrective structure in the formation of that wave 2, now my primary scenario is that whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And in the formation of this wave 3, I'm also expecting to see a 5-wave structure in formation, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas and also giving us the high for that higher Elliot wave count 3 to the upper side. And as a result of that micro Elliot wave count within the formation of that wave 3, that's the reason as to why you can see that I have this 5-wave structure in formation completing that first wave, then a corrective structure giving us the low for that wave 2. And having seen the formation of that 1-2 setup, now my primary scenario is that we are seeing the formation of this wave 3, where in the formation of that wave 3, I'm also expecting to see a 5-wave structure in formation because of the impulsive nature in the formation of that wave 3. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios and also on the long-term scenarios. And also taking a look at the indicators, on the RSI we are trading at around the 62 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.